While the world continues to debate how to handle climate change, the facts are crystal clear. Climate change is real. In fact, 17 of the 18 hottest years on record, that's dating back to 1880, have occurred since 2001. Earth's average surface temperature has risen by nearly 2 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. A 2017 report from the U.S. government's Climate Science Special Report states, quote, "It is extremely likely that human influence has been the dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. As the Earth warms, one of the major concerns is the melting of Earth-based ice. Currently, glaciers are retreating all around the world, and massive ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are losing mass. From 2002 to 2006, Greenland lost as much as 60 cubic miles of ice. Similarly, Antarctica lost 36 cubic miles from 2002 to 2005. As ice declines and the oceans warm, the higher the seas rise. Since 1900, the global average sea level has risen 7 to 8 inches, the most occurring since 1993. This rate of rise is higher during any preceding century, putting coastal cities at risk. As record high temperature events have been increasing, the number of record low temperature events have been decreasing since 1950. Now, this doesn't mean that we will see fewer winter storms with climate change, but we will see a warmer shift in climate extremes. If you look at the data from 2016 compared to other years, it's easy to see that climate change is happening, and it's been happening for some time now. Each of the 16 months leading up to September 2016 broke the global average high temperature record. Possibly the most important fact of all is related to the levels of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. In 2013, these levels broke 400 parts per million for the first time, an ominous milestone, and have continued to increase even more. This number is far higher than historical data, which shows no spike above 300 parts per million until the 1950s. And that is why 97% of scientists agree that climate change is real and it's already happening.
That I was given keys to the city of your dreams. I'm more content to walk outside the walls and catch a breeze. I'm more inclined to climb on bio ride internal seas. I'm more alive to vibe inside a mansion full of trees.
We have not come here to beg world leaders to care. You have ignored us in the past and you will ignore us again. We have run out of excuses and we are running out of time. We have come here to let you know that change is coming, whether you like it or not. The real power belongs to the people.
If at this point you've got no idea why we're striking, then what on earth? You must be utter idiots if you're wondering why we're striking. Look around you. Look at the climate change. Look at the amount of CO2 in our atmosphere.